Video has no links to it really. You know why? Because Verrukt is such a hard map, and I did not even think I'd get a part 2. Alright. Oh, started running to one of the staircases there. I really did. I just got my FMAS. Oh. My problem with the full map terrain is since it's such a close quarter map. You see, you have to turn these close quarters, and you know you never know what's around the corner. Hey Dempsey, guess what? Look, no quick revive. You don't have to take that stupid fish again, you idiot. I don't like fish. Get around. Oh! So I have that. I'm already almost out of ammo with this. Are you kidding me? Ooh, but look at my points! Jug! I'll laugh. Got me some jug! Oh god. And I need it! Ooh! Go! Woo! Oh. Sweet Jesus of mercy. Sweet Jesus. HK. Oh man. God job, guys. Yeah! I damn straight he did. Was not expecting that. Good. In these close quarter places, I want to have my ray gun out so I can just shred them right away. But as I'm like shooting down a long hallway, like there's a bunch of them, I'm probably gonna use my HK. But what I kept my RPK. Oh, that took 3 shots to hit him. I'm an idiot. Insta kill. HK. That did not hit you? Insta kill is useless so far. Never mind. Make it such a high round that even insta kill doesn't make it insta kill anymore. LOL. Oh, the waste of a good insta kill. Oh. Nice. Damn straight I did. I did earlier. A bit earlier in this map. Now, HK. MIB. Okay, so I guess full map training does work if you have like a ray gun and an HK. Or RPK, sorry. I might buy a speed cola. Alright. last time. Well, now you mad. Now you mad. I made you mad. Alright. Let's reload this ray gun. Start running again. I said reload. And you didn't reload. Ooh, double tap right there, but I almost have enough speed cola and I want it. So. I should run to a zombie in the beginning. Yes, there. Nice job! That's the way, I like it, Sorry, that was gay. That's very gay to me. Ooh, one right behind me now. Stop dead in your tracks. Nice job on the quick speed cola. Speed cola. Quick reload, quick reload. And I'm gonna run some over here. Quick before we get upstairs. Well, it's not a good call. Max ammo. Sweet baby. Oh God. Go, go, go. Crawler. Yeah. Alright, go. Go. Oh. Alright. Not yet, not yet. Good call. I shouldn't have reloaded right there. Oh, crawler again. I found you. There we come. Oh. Dear God. Oh, go! Nice! Chaos! Do I hear a thing? Kaboom! Alright, no I didn't need that. Okay, though. Alright, nice double tap. Alright, didn't even have to use my RPK that round, I see. So that two-shot kill. Christ. I think it was. Now someone wants me to join that life party. Someone likes me. All the kids bullying in high school. Suck on that, huh? Alright. Oh, that's a two-shot kill. Go! Oh. Okay, still have my... Oh no! I spent my money on double tap. I'm done. Round 11, guys. Round 11. No! Go like a beast, huh? What? I shot you. I shot you. Alright. Ugh. That was successful for Verrukt. No, not that high, but Verrukt is a very difficult map. Alright, so yeah, join me next time. Out.